Alright, so I end up going to Aldi today here in Australia and picking up one of these craft mats, and I also picked up a just a little cheap rotary cutter. Now I apologise for the sore throat, change of season, but on the Spotlight website, if anyone's familiar, I checked it out. Now some of these in a really good decent brand go from upwards of just say $20 to $50, so it's nice that it actually comes with the second blade. Now this is the 45mm diameter, so obviously the blade size, and the craft mat. Now the reason I picked the craft mat and this up is because I want to do some leather work later on down the track, and I figured why not, we'll just check it out. So the good thing about it is it comes with all the dimensions here, and also on the back there's a bunch of just little memos like self-healing and grid lines and stuff like that. Seems okay. So for $8 you're going to get both, so they were $3.99 each, and this in the center has actually got some sort of a rubber material. You won't be able to see it, but it's got some sort of like a rubber material inside, so it's not, it's got a hard surface here, but in the inside it's got a rubber material. And yeah, so that's why I picked it up. I want to start doing some leather work, or just making little fabric cases for just hand tools. And it's actually sitting on the Aldi table saw, which I haven't had many problems. I've had a few. One of them's been the fence, which I modified. There's going to be a complete video on the videos page of my YouTube channel, which everyone should go and check that out because it's a pretty good mod, and it works great. So that's it, guys. The $3.99 rotary cutter, little craft mat, or cutting mat actually. So yeah, anyway, these at Spotlight would easily be anywhere up from say $10 to $30, so it's a pretty good bargain if you don't abuse things. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.